how to analyze cryptocurrency using MT4 chart with PAFXSS insider technique. Alright, if you haven't downloaded the special MT4 for cryptocurrency, the link is inside our cryptocurrency trading PDF. Okay, you're going to download it from this website over here. Alright, once you download the MT4, please install the GODFORCE 6 and God Bless indicators and their template. Everything is the same as regular MT4 installation. Alright, as you can see right now, today is Sunday around 7:16 p.m. okay, right there, Sunday. Most MT4 chart is not running, but this one is running 24/7. Okay, let me go to it. Okay, right. Okay, this one is USD CHF. It's not running, but if you open, okay, this is their coin. All right, I'm gonna open one and load the GODFORCE 6 template. Remember, we're using MT4, 4-hour time frame. Right, there you go. As you can see, it's running. All right, where am I? Okay, all right, this is how you do it. Okay, first thing first, I open a few crypto pairs at one time. Okay, then I load GODFORCE 6 template. Okay, and it only takes me a couple seconds to know if the crypto pair is good for trading or not. All right, okay, I'm gonna open a few more and only open crypto with USD pair, okay, such as BTC USD, Dash USD. All right, see, this is BTC USD, this is let me see. All right, okay, this is Dash BTC, no good. Dash USD, okay. All right, Dodge USD, yes you can. DOT USD, yes you can. EOS bit, no. EOS USD, yes. ETC USD, yes. Right here, ETH BTC, no. All right, ETH USD, okay. All right, okay, now I'm going to load the GODFORCE 6 template. Remember, always put it on 4-hour templates. All right, okay, this one too. Okay, you know what, let's just do one by one. All right, the strategy is the same as we use on forex pairs, but the sentiment indicator, all right, this one right here, as you can see, says no data. All right, it only applicable on BTC USD. Okay, all right, let's analyze these cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, this one is Ethereum USD. As you can see, it doesn't meet our criteria. All right, we're gonna close it. All right, this one is ETC USD, same thing. As you can see, none of the confirmation are met. All right, and it only take a few seconds for me to see if the pairs meet our PAFXSS insider technique strategy criteria. Okay, as you can see, this one is not good. All right, then we're gonna close it. All right, okay, let's load the GODFORCE 6, switch to 4-hour time frame. This one is not good as well. Okay, not good. All right, so only take like 1 second. It's no good. All right, the Dodge USD. All right, this one. All right, okay, it's no good. It's not good. Okay, like I said, PAFXSS insider technique confirmations aren't easy to come by. With crypto pairs, from all the pairs, maybe like once a week. Okay, so All right, this one is dash USD. Change to 4 hours. No. All right, this one is BTC USD. Okay. All right, this one, no. As you can see, the sentiment indicator is working on this one. Okay, is getting the data only on BTC USD. Okay, see what you want to look for is this setup over here. Okay, the trend is crossing over the upper channel. All right, and then the NT line, the blue line, is above the middle channel over here. All right, okay, and then once this one, okay, and then it says short over here, right? And once all the criteria are met, all the confirmations are met, you switch to God bless indicator. All right, and then you enter, and look what happened, it dropped, right? Okay, but once again, okay, all right, this one is like I think this one is, hold on a second, this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, about 2 weeks ago. Okay, it's about 2 weeks ago. All right, okay, so this one is not, it's not good as well. All right, and then after that we're going to open some more pairs. Okay, this one is IOTA USD is good, LTC USD is good. All right, NEO USD, all right, OMG USD, SOL USD, all right, TRX USD, okay, and USDT USD, don't trade that pair. Okay, right, XMR, all right, XRP, good, XTZ, and the last one is ZEC USD. All right, let's load GODFORCE template. All right, nope. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty clear, right? And as you see over here too, the sentiment data is not collecting data. I mean, indicator is not collecting data. All right, GODFORCE, nope. XRP, no. Okay, XRP is going up. Oh, I'm sorry, this one is GODFORCE. Okay, wrong template. Okay, this one is XMR USD, no. Okay, GODFORCE, no. I mean, okay, TRX, no. All right, as you can see, I don't bother to see the candles because I just want to see the setups. All right, to avoid confusion, because right here we don't even have the price of the pairs. Okay, we want to see the setup only, the confirmation only. All right, see this one is, see, because after you find the setup and then you switch to God bless template, then you will see the candles and the price and everything. Okay, but if you just put the GODFORCE right there, you don't see nothing. Okay, you don't see the price, you don't see the candles. We don't want to know, you know, so we don't make exception. Okay, we don't make any exception. We only want to trade the best setups, period. All right, that's why I don't put the candle price over there. All right, so as you can see over here, look at this one. Look, this is the setup that we're looking for. This one is the setup for sell order. Okay, look, the trend line is crossing over the upper channel. All right, the 200 MA is above the middle channel line over here. Okay, and then the NT line is above the middle channel line. Okay, and after you find this setup and you switch to God bless template, You see what happened? It just dropped. There you go. All right, but like I said again, the setups aren't easy to come by. With crypto, maybe once a week, okay, once a week. And with forex pairs, forex majors and minors, 2 or 3 times a week. But we're happy if we can just find 2 setups a week, okay. All right, this one is no good, so we close it. GODFORCE, this one, okay. All right, this one, OMG USD is not good as well, okay. This one, no good. All right, this one, nope. All right, IOTA, no. Okay, nope. Okay, all right, nope. All right, now let's say you found one crypto pair with a full confirmation of PAFXSS Insider Technique strategy. All right, after you found it, you're going to go to Binance.com and log in. All right, so let me go to Binance. All right, there you go. You log in, and then okay, the Binance.com, the link is also inside our PDF, cryptocurrency trading. All right, and then you search the crypto pair. Let's say you found one setup on Ethereum USD. So you're going to type here Ethereum ETH, okay, ETH USD. It's this one right here. Remember, there is USDT and USD. You want to go for USD only. Do not make any mistake. All right, there you go. This is USD. Look, right, this is USD. Okay. All right, and only trade with market price. Okay, market, it says market over here, because sometimes you put limit. Okay, right here, market, and put only 10% of your capital. Okay, use a market price once again, and put the stop loss and take profit as well. All right, I include a full instruction video on how to buy and sell crypto using Binance inside our PDF as well. Okay, all right, that's it. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, all right, thank you so much. As you can see, it only take me no more than 15 minutes. Well, I'm making the video, but it's going to take you less than 5 minutes to analyze the whole crypto pairs. Okay, all right, and once again, only put a trade with a full confirmation setup. All right, don't take any less. All right, God bless and happy trading.